guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'm Brandy and I do a lot of makeup videos and fashion, and today I'm coming at you with a nail tutorial. So I recently went to my local beauty supply and they had some really good nails. So I got these. Well, I got these also. So I got these nails there, and I also got these. Now these are really cute. So what I'm going to be doing today is just showing you a quick tutorial of how I do my nails. Now these, going from no nails to this, literally took about 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes. And no lie, throughout this whole pandemic situation, I stopped getting my nails done. I was going like literally once a month, spending $70 in the nail salon. But when everything closed, I didn't have the chance to keep going. So I started doing the press-on nails. And ever since then, I'm like, my life has completely changed. For one, it's cheaper. These things, like these specific ones, range from $4.99 in the beauty supply to, they can range up to like $15, $20, depending on if you want them like bedazzled, the you know, stones, designs. These are actually $4.99. Like, you really can't beat that. The ones that I'm wearing now, I think were $6.99, so that's really great. And the thing about these that I really love also is they can just be switched out so easily. Like, what I do is I wear mine for about 2 weeks and then I switch them out. So it gives you the ability to, you know, have some variety. You don't have to keep the same nails for a whole month or a month and a half or however long. You can literally switch them out. And the other positive that I love about press-on nails is when you get your acrylics, or what is it called, the SNS done, when they start to grow out, you have like this gap between your skin and where your new nail is growing in and the fake nail. And I hated that. Like, to me, that was so annoying, and it just looks so gross. And it would literally happen like at least a week or 2 weeks into getting your nails done. For me, that's a waste of money. So I find with these, with the press-on nails, you don't have that. So that's one of the other benefits that I really, really liked. So, and this is the box they came in, and it also comes with this little glue, which I don't use. I'll also show you the glue that I use in the video. And the number one thing that I say when people ask me about press-on nails is the glue is the most important thing, because you don't want to use this. Like, I just throw this away. You want to get this glue from Sally's. This is the only one that I've used, and I swear by it. And you can find it at any Sally Beauty. And I'll just show you in the video, and I'll also link it down below so you can get that. But it's the 5-second nail glue, and it will keep your nails on for at least 2 weeks, unless you like are seriously doing, you know, crazy stuff with your nails, which if you're just doing everyday stuff, it will definitely keep them on. So yeah. So if you want to see me apply my nails, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial. And I just started with my bare nails, nothing on them. So I'm going to show you the whole process, start to finish, and this is the end result. So if you're interested in watching the video, just stick around. And so right here, I'm just going to show you the nails. So these are the nails that I got, and this is my beginning nails, and they're extremely short, but yeah, that's that. And so I'm going to show you right now. These are the other couple pairs that I got also, all three of them lined up together. And the ones that I'm going to be using today are the burgundy. So we're going to get started by just filing down my current nails. And I just use a regular emery brush. You can use, or emery board, I'm sorry. You can use any emery board you want, really. I mean, there's no the real science to it. So just take that. You just want to make sure that the nails, when you glue them down, they have something rough to adhere to. You don't want to do this on, you don't want to do it on like your regular nails without being filed down. So that's the first step. And I'm also going to take, next I'm going to take this alcohol, 70% alcohol, and just a little washcloth. And you can use a cotton pad, but I didn't have any. But you can use that, and just after you file them down, just remove all the excess dust and everything from your nails. You just want to make sure everything's smooth and clean and no oil. You want to definitely make sure there's no oil on your nails. You can also just wash them if you don't have alcohol. That's good too. That works just fine. So I'm just showing you as I wash them off. Okay, so now I'm just going to open the box up, and it just shows you how the nails come. In this one, there's I think 24, so half of them will be like in the front and the main ones will be in the back. And it also comes with like a little nail glue, so you'll see that as well. And it gives you a little sticky thing, and that's just like to push your cuticles back. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. It's really completely up to you. Obviously it's going to look better if you push your cuticles back, but so yeah, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to take each individual nail and just measure it against my nails. And once I do that, I'm going to lay them out just how I would put them on my nails. So you just want to do each finger, make sure you find a nail that fits each one and just lay it out as you would put it on. And this is going to make it extremely seamless for when you're ready to glue them. So yeah, so I'm just going to start with this with my left hand. And so I'm just going to show you how I do each one. And then once I'm done with the left hand, I'm going to move on and do the same thing with the right hand. So now that I have all of those laid out, the next step that I'm going to do is just grab my glue, and the glue that I'm using I got from Sally's. This is the 5-second fast glue. You can find this at any Sally beauty supply. It's about $2 or $3. And this one I've used before, so it already is cut at the top, but you just cut it and put the little applicator. I mean, you can use the applicator if you want it. This time I did not use it, so I'm just gonna also lay out just a little washcloth. And so this is a really important step right here. You just want to take your glue, and for each nail you just want to apply like a layer, not just a drop. I would do like a layer on your whole nail. And once that's done, you just want to put your nail on that you've already set aside and just hold it down for 5 to 20 seconds, and that's really all you need. So I usually just hold it down just a little bit longer, and anything on the side I just kind of wipe off. Just hold that down for about between 5 and 20 seconds. And I'm just going to move along and just do this for every single nail. Just going to start with I start with my left hand and then just move along with the right hand. It's pretty simple. So you just want to do this for every single finger. Yeah, so that's it. This is a really quick nail tutorial. You can really use this if you have somewhere like really quick to go and you just need some nails to do last minute, or if you want to do it as a regular routine. So if you guys like this video, just please leave a comment below or like the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of other videos coming out, fashion and makeup, beauty stuff, so just make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!